All right, y'all, welcome back to the channel. This is Custom Painting Air Jordan 1's Part 1. Let's go. Shout out to everybody that was on the live stream that contribute to the colors of these shoes. We are definitely trying to match these shorts up. I believe that'll be a fly color, and we trying to rock them for the summer. We know summer's coming up real soon, so we're going to try to have them done before that. And make sure that you join us on the next live stream because you want to be a part of the next shoe that we make. And, you know, maybe we'll sketch some names in or something on it. We got to do something special. Let us know in the comments below. Make sure you follow the channel. You don't want to miss a thing. I love y'all. See y'all soon. Thank you to everybody that contributed. Real quick. So shout out to everybody that helped with the color of shoe 1. I'm feeling that it's looking yellowish. We're trying to get that. It's pretty close. So join us on the next live. We gonna have to bring some glue off and turpentine on to clean that sole up a little more. But look, new laces. We're gonna have a fresh pair of kicks right here. Thank y'all, everybody that got on, contributed, colors, ideas. Said what you. Got the Jumpman. Oh no, I messed up. Yeah, we gotta fix that there. It needs to be purple there, little purple there. But yeah, we do still got the originals intact. All right, well, we got Dom, Jen on it, and you really contributed the most, and Viral and Trendy Wendy. So we will see you on the next live.